If you're trying to upload a large file to Google Drive and it just won't go through, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it. Large file upload issues usually come down to one of a few simple problems, like not having enough storage, an unstable internet connection, browser issues, or even an extension interfering with the upload. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve it in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. All right, let's jump in. First, check the file size and make sure your Google Drive account actually has enough available storage. Google Drive can support very large files, but if your storage is full, the upload will fail no matter what. So before anything else, open Drive and check your storage status. If you're out of space, you'll need to free up storage or upgrade your plan before trying again. Next, check your internet connection. Large files need a stable connection, and even a small network interruption can stop the upload. If possible, use a strong Wi-Fi connection instead of mobile data or a hotspot. It's also a good idea not to switch networks while the file is uploading. If your connection feels slow or unreliable, test your speed using a site like fast.com so you can confirm whether the issue is your internet. After that, try a simple refresh and upload again. Sometimes the browser or upload session just glitches out, and a quick refresh can fix it. On Windows, press Ctrl+R, or just refresh the page in your browser, then start the upload again. In many cases, that alone is enough to get the file moving. Another important step is to use Google Chrome. Chrome tends to work best with Google services, including Google Drive, so if you're having trouble in another browser, switching to Chrome can make a big difference. If you already are using Chrome and it still isn't working, then clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can cause upload problems or conflict with Drive. To do this in Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and clear your cache and cookies. After that, restart the browser and try the upload again. If the issue still continues, disable your browser extensions temporarily. Extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN add-ons can sometimes interfere with Google Drive uploads. Turn them off one by one, or disable them all for testing, then try uploading your file again. If the upload works after that, you found the cause. And if none of those steps fix it, try signing out and signing back into your Google account, or upload the file in an incognito window to rule out browser conflicts. The key is to work through the basics in order: storage, internet, browser, cache, and extensions. In most cases, one of those steps will solve the problem and get your large file uploaded successfully. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple Google Drive tips, file upload fixes, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.